Hi friends, it's Bob and Fran again, your healthy aging advocates, coaches, and authors of the bestseller 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age. We have a short but effective takeaway for you today, adapted from our book. It's about living mindfully, and it can change your life forever. Be sure to watch to the end. So let's get started now.
So you might ask, what really is mindfulness? To us, being mindful is simply paying deliberate attention to the present moment. It is a conscious, ongoing connection to what's happening right now. Too many of us unknowingly sleepwalk through life, not giving purposeful attention to the experience of the moment at hand. It's like living on habitual autopilot, where the mind is constantly swept into a current of rambling thoughts. The moment passes you by.
Ask yourself if your thoughts are wandering while driving, so when you arrive at your destination, you really cannot remember most of that experience along the way. When you walk in a park, are you fully aware of the chirping birds or seeing the beautiful flowers, or are your thoughts elsewhere? When you are showering, do you truly experience the water against your skin and fully appreciate the pleasant feeling? Or are you thinking ahead to what you have to do later in the day?
Understand that any of us can become more mindful and not miss out on the beauty of the present moment. Learning to live mindfully involves a continual, conscious effort to be fully engaged in what's going on in the moment now. So, it is important that you heighten your awareness of being present, then catch yourself when the mind wanders away from the present into the past or into the future. And next, gently bring your focus back to the existing moment if your mind does wander away.
You can do it and should do it because living mindfully is packed with benefits. It enables you to be engaged and enjoy all of what life has to offer, moment to moment.
It also serves to center you, keeps you present and focused, and disables the attachment to be in the past or in the future.
It fosters acceptance of the moment as it is and lessens or eliminates the desire to want things to be different.
Living mindfully frees you from automatically reverting to old habitual ways of thinking and living and opens the door to new life choices.
And it heightens your awareness, improves your listening skills, clears the mind, and reduces stress.
You can begin your mindfulness practice in your daily routine when eating your meals, brushing your teeth, driving, or doing any everyday activity.
Meditation is a great training for mindful behavior. It can be as easy as sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, and holding that focus. And when the mind wanders, gently refocus on the breath again. Add this practice to your day.
So there you have it. Understand that there is limitless enjoyment, contentment, and inner peace that comes with this process. Why not become more and more mindful starting today?
Please tell us how you feel about this idea of living mindfully in the comments section below and ask any questions to which we will reply. And build your karma by sharing this video with friends who can benefit. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so we can keep offering tips and advice in videos like this.
And we also invite you to join us in our life goal, that is to die young as late as possible, to feel good, to look good, and to retain a youthful energy, starting at any age. And you can begin this process just by watching our next video.
Hope you come back again soon.